The future of driving is here, and Tesla is leading the way with its 2025 full self-driving technology. Imagine getting into your car, inputting your destination, and letting the vehicle do the rest. No hands on the wheel, no feet on the pedals, just pure autonomous driving. The 2025 Tesla FSD is smarter, safer, and more advanced than ever before. But how does it work, and is it finally ready for full autonomy? Let's dive into everything you need to know. Tesla's FSD software has undergone massive improvements, thanks to its advanced AI and neural network processing. The 2025 update introduces enhanced object recognition, better decision-making in complex traffic scenarios, and a smoother driving experience. Tesla has expanded its real-world driving data, training the AI on millions of miles, making the system more reliable than ever before. Whether it's navigating tight city streets, handling roundabouts, or merging onto highways, the latest FSD update ensures the car makes intelligent, human-like decisions. One of the most exciting upgrades is Tesla's vision-only approach. Unlike other autonomous systems that rely on lidar, Tesla uses high-resolution cameras combined with eye-driven perception models. This allows the car to detect pedestrians, cyclists, road signs, and even unexpected obstacles with incredible accuracy. The system now predicts movement patterns, reducing sudden braking and unnecessary slowdowns. The result, a ride that feels natural and smooth, just like being driven by an experienced human. Tesla's full self-driving mode now supports full point-to-point autonomy. You simply enter your destination, and the car handles everything: lane changes, traffic lights, stop signs, and even unprotected left turns. With improved AI calibration, FSD adapts to different driving conditions, whether it's heavy rain, fog, or nighttime driving. Tesla's cars are now equipped with a new generation processor, offering faster response times and better decision-making in real time. A major highlight of the 2025 Tesla FSD is its integration with city driving. Previously, Tesla's self-driving capabilities were more refined for highway use. Now, with smarter traffic negotiation and improved pedestrian detection, the car seamlessly navigates urban environments. It recognizes jaywalkers, adapts to road construction zones, and even understands complex traffic signals. This means that Tesla is inching closer to achieving true Level 4 or even Level 5 autonomy, where driver intervention becomes nearly obsolete. Safety remains Tesla's top priority. The latest FSD update includes redundant safety checks, ensuring the car makes the right decisions before executing any action. If an unusual situation arises, the system alerts the driver with real-time feedback, allowing manual intervention if necessary. Tesla has also improved its emergency response system, enabling the car to automatically pull over and contact emergency services if needed. The new Tesla FSD is not just about driving, it's about transforming the way we travel. Imagine using your Tesla as a fully autonomous ride-sharing vehicle. When not in use, it could drive itself to pick up passengers, earning money while you sleep. Tesla's robotaxi network is closer than ever, and the 2025 FSD update lays the foundation for this revolutionary service. However, regulatory approvals still play a crucial role in Tesla's FSD deployment. While the technology is ready, different countries and states have their own rules regarding autonomous driving. Tesla is actively working with regulators to ensure FSD can be legally used in more locations worldwide. The goal is to reach full global acceptance, allowing Teslas to drive completely on their own, anywhere, anytime. With the 2025 Tesla Full Self-Driving Update, we are witnessing the biggest leap in automotive technology. The dream of a truly self-driving car is no longer just an idea, it's happening right now. Tesla continues to push boundaries, making driving safer, smarter, and more convenient than ever before. Are you ready for the future of autonomous driving? Let us know in the comments what you think about Tesla's FSD and whether you trust a car to drive itself.